Okay.
Frelimo is the party that fought for our independence.
Right.
Was founded in Tanzania in 1962.
Okay.
By Eduardo Shivambu Mondlane.
Okay.
Helped by Julius Kambarage Nyerere, the president of Tanzania.
Wow.
That's why we have this botanical garden behind the statue there.
Okay.
The botanical garden is called Jardin Botanico Tunduru. It's a botanical garden of Tunduru.
Okay.
Tunduru, it's a name of one district of Tanzania.
Right.
Good evening, Africa. Jumbo Africa. I'm standing here with a resident of Maputo. He is a Mozambican, and as you can see what he is carrying, he is a Maputo walking tour guide. So this guy will take you around the city anytime, any day you are in Maputo. So can you please introduce yourself to the rest of Africa?
I'm Wilson Matimbe.
Okay.
I'm a tourist guide of the country. I'm the storyteller. I tell to tourists about our history, culture, tradition.
All right.
But I give the explanation about the monuments and heritages of my city.
Right.
And then I also talk about a Portuguese presence in Mozambique.
Right.
I also talk about the resistance hero in Mozambique.
Right.
Like, because before the party that liberated Mozambique
was that Frelimo?
Yes, Frelimo.
Okay.
I mean, before was found, they were kings. You see that?
Okay.
Who fought for the country.
Right.
Before Frelimo was found.
Right.
And then when Eduardo Shivambu Mondlane, the president founder of Frelimo, founded Frelimo, it was after Ngungunyana and so many more and other kings. You see that?
Okay.
And other kings and kingling.
Right.
So my job.
Will is a Mozambican patriot, an astute Pan-Africanist, and a walking tour guide in Maputo. He understands and can tell you the history of the country in every detail. He has helped hundreds and thousands of guests who visit Mozambique on a daily basis. And this is thanks.
So in by this time, I will try to talk about different issues. You see that, but all I want is to make people understand that our history is very interesting. You see that, and then before what I was saying is before the Portuguese come, the Portuguese the first Portuguese led by Vasco da Gama, they arrived in Mozambique.
In a city or country where English language is almost an ostentatious commodity, Will comes in very, very handy to English speakers who visit Maputo to enjoy the breeze and the different beauties that this wonderful part
and sometimes you can just ask me, hey, Mr. Wilson, who is Musa Ibu Malik? So Musa Ibu Malik is the first Arabic trader who first visited the Mozambique island in the north.
Right.
Yeah? And then later lived there.
Okay.
So name Mozambique was named by Portuguese, by the king of Portugal, Dom João II, in the gratitude of Musa El Bin Big, who first visited the island and lived there.
Okay.
So that name was given to the land when the island derived from Musa El Bin Big.
Okay.
So there's where comes name Mozambique.
I see.
So us, we became independent in 1975, 25 June 1975. 1975.
Okay.
So who brought our independence in this? It's Marechal Samora Moses Machel.
Moses Machel.
Oh,
Okay.
Yes.
I got the right pronunciation now.
His name is Marechal Samora Moses Machel.
Okay.
Is the president who, is the first president of Mozambique independent.
Okay.
And then is the second president of Frelimo.
Okay.
Frelimo is the party that fought for our independence.
Right.
Was founded in Tanzania in 1962.
Okay.
by Eduardo Shivambu Mondlane,
Okay.
helped by Julius Kambarage Nyerere, the
Wow.
president of Tanzania.
Wow.
That's why we have this botanical garden behind the statue there.
Okay.
The botanical garden is called Jardim Botânico Tunduru. It's
Okay.
a botanical garden of Tunduru.
Okay.
Tunduru, it's a name of one district of Tanzania.
Right.
So was given by, botanical garden of Tunduru, the name was given by Samora Machel when Mozambique became independent.
Okay.
In gratitude of Tanzania.
Okay.
In gratitude of Tanzania, because Tanzania helped us, Mozambicans, Eduardo Shivambu Mondlane and other Frelimo members to found Frelimo.
Right.
Because before Frelimo was founded, there were 3 different movements in Mozambique.
Okay.
Divided. Do you see that?
Okay.
Because since the beginning, us Africans, we used to lose our battle. We lost our continent
Right.
for the Europeans.
Yes.
Because of what? Because of division. We've been divided. Yes.
Right.
That's why when Mr. Eduardo Shivambu Mondlane came to Mozambique,
Yes.
by the first time after a long time,
Yes.
because I was studying in a university at the United States of America,
Okay.
where he served as a teacher of history and sociology.
Okay.
And then Mr. Eduardo Shivambu Mondlane, he also worked at the United Nations
Yes.
as the investigator of the cases that made African countries become independent.
Right.
And then when he arrived in Mozambique, he saw that no, we had a capacities, we was on time to conquer our independence. But what it was just impossible, it was just seems to be impossible because we were divided.
Okay.
Because the 3 parts, they had even offices at the different countries, right?
Okay.
So Eduardo Shivambu Mondlane, he tried just to unite those 3 parts.
Okay.
But by help, by help of Julius Kambarage Nyerere, he
Yes.
succeeded to found a movement that fought against colonialism in
Okay.
Mozambique.
Thank you so much. One quick question before we
Okay.
wrap up.
Okay.
Do you think that the situation in Mozambique today, if Samora Machel, if Marshal Samora Moishe Machel were to stand up today, wake
Okay.
up today from his grave,
Yeah.
will he be happy about the things that are happening today?
Of course, you know why I think so?
Yeah.
Because Samora Machel was thinking about unity.
Okay.
Right? Was thinking in positive. You see that?
Yes.
It was positive, was act positive.
Right.
And then he was not just like going alone.
Yes.
Because no man can stand alone.
That's correct.
But he wanted to stand with other, African leaders.
Yes.
You see that? He was coming with the vision to stand with others. So I do believe that the situation should be like different.
Okay. I was actually in the museum today and I saw pictures of him with Nelson Mandela, with
course.
Robert
You see
Mugabe,
that?
with
You see that?
Tanzania president as well.
You see that?
Nyerere.
With Nyerere.
Yeah.
With this one. A president of
Kenneth Kaunda of Zambia.
Of course, I was just
Yes.
looking for that name.
Right.
For Kenneth Kaunda.
Right.
So I mean that's why. So now you can get the point when I say that it should be different because he was thinking different. You see that?
All right.
He was thinking about unification. So
Now, quickly before we run out of time,
Okay.
I go around Africa and I talk to African entrepreneurs.
Okay.
And in your own right, you are an entrepreneur. You help people that come to the city to understand the history
Of course.
and the culture of the city.
of course.
For non-Portuguese speakers navigating Maputo, it can be a deadlock in so many ways. This is where Will, the walking tour guide, comes in. You want to feel comfortable and you don't want to miss out on any of the action because of a language barrier. We have made it possible for you to communicate with Will directly. So visit our website, get his contact details, and get in touch with him directly should you plan to visit Maputo. He will be the right person to take you to the places, but also assist you with some of the difficulties. The unforeseen difficulties that you may encounter.